How to one name on Facebook. So if you want to add only one name or single name on your Facebook, then first you need to open up your Facebook application. After opening your Facebook, you just need simply go with the upper right, which has that 3 horizontal lines, and from here you can just tap on profile, or just simply scroll down, go with settings and privacy and tap on settings. Under settings you can go with the account center, and from here you need to go with profiles. Under profiles you need to go with your Facebook and tap on name, and on your name you will have your first name and your last name, right? So you just need simply go with your last name, remove the last name and add just space. After that you need to tap on review change and change your name. But remember, you won't be able to change your name. If you change it now, you won't be able to change it for again 60 days. So make sure you've choose a good name and then tap on change name and your name will be changed. That's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.